Hey guys, I want to wish you all a very happy new year. Um, let's hope that 2022 is a little bit better than 2021. Um, I got something to show you guys today. I'm really excited about this. Now, I've shown you guys a lot of Titanic models in the past, and I've come up with some really good ones. I love the Revell 1400 with the lights and the sound. Of course, probably the best one so far is the Trumpeter 1/200 scale. But guys, I found one that might beat that. I think I got the Super Bowl of Titanic models. Wait till you see this.
All right, guys, so I want to talk to you about the latest Titanic model that just has me wow, I just can't wait. It's the AGORA models. This is the Titanic. It says museum quality, and it's made of metal. The hull is made of metal, and the decks are made out of wood. This is 1/200 scale, and this is the R.M.S. Titanic. And this is AGORA models. The R.M.S. Titanic, as I had said, from the makers of the extraordinary Bismarck, the new masterpiece of model shipbuilding, rich in the most realistic details, the most famous ocean liner of all, R.M.S. Titanic. Designed accordingly to the original construction plans at 1/200 scale, this is an unprecedented model constructed with die-cast metal hull, wooden deck, and with tiny details from the deck fittings to the hull coverings to the mechanical parts at a level of perfection and realism that captures the euphoria and optimism of the moment when the liner set out. All components are ready painted in historically accurate details and colors, making this Titanic model enjoyable for modelers new to the craft as well as experienced. And I got to show you some of the pictures. The thing that really sold me was when I saw the smoke, I'm like, well, that's pretty cool, you know? But then when I saw the removable piece of the hull and you could see the engine actually running, I just like, wow, I got to get this. So I, of course, pre-ordered this. I had shown you the Eagle Moss version of the Build a Titanic. I did pre-order that. When I get it in, I will show you, but I think this one is going to trump that one. With that one, as expensive as it was, you still had to paint it and sand it, and it was basically wood. With this, it's already painted and it's metal. So the hull on this one is going to be metal. Kind of like the Enterprise, the Eagle Moss Enterprise D. And this is the brilliant attention to detail can be seen in every part of this 4-foot model ship. As it prepared to embark on its maiden voyage, R.M.S. Titanic was one of the most opulent ships in the world, designed for comfort rather than speed. Its immense hull was the largest movable man-made object at the time, and she had a gross registered tonnage of 46,328 tons. Having inspired countless stories, articles, films, and scientific research, and capturing the world's imagination, we feel honored to bring such an accurate and detailed scale model of this most famous British luxury liner. Created following the original plans, designed by shipbuilders Harlan and Wolff, this 1/200 scale model features refined metal details and photo-etched brass railings along the decks and brilliant attention to detail in every part of the ship, from the wooden decks to the technical accessories, resulting in a masterpiece in naval modeling. All components have already been painted in historically accurate detail and colors, making the Titanic model enjoyable for modelers new to the craft and expert ready for a new challenge. And it shows you can light it up. The lights will operate, and some of the specifications for this wonderful model. Again, it's in 1/200 scale. It's going to be 52 3/4 inches long, and that is 134 centimeters. The width is going to be 6 inches long, and that's 15.5 centimeters. And the height is going to be 8 3/4 inches, and that's 22.5 centimeters. The hull is going to be die-cast metal, and the decks will be wood, brass accessories, and photo-etched metal detailing. There are approximately 1,800 parts to put this model together. The features of the main hull are the metal, and the decks are made of wood. The smoke effects that will come from funnels, working internal and external lights, the electronic rotating propellers. It's got removable sections and a replica of the functioning engines. Remote control unit based on the original design of the engine room telegraph on the Titanic. You can see the funnels with smoke effects, and the propellers are going to rotate. The bridge deck and interior lighting will light up, and the removable sections will show the motorized inner workings of the engine room. Your model will come with a magazine collection detailing the story of the Titanic from the ship itself to life on board. And I like that. This is kind of like the Eagle Moss Build the Enterprise. There are magazines that come with the instructions with a lot of extras and information and photographs. And this is what I did. I had ordered the deluxe edition because I wanted the display case, because something like that, it's going to be a real pain to dust. So I wanted to make sure it was never going to get dusty. So for an extra $10 per pack, I upgraded and received the display case. And it gives you the option when you buy it. If you want only the model, it's $39. And if you want the model plus a display case, it's $44.99. And then it goes, without the case, it goes to $80 every 6 weeks. And with the case, it goes to $89.99 every 6 weeks. And these packages are due to ship in May of 2022. You will also be sent complimentary toolkit, replica Titanic tin plate, and a pocket watch during the collection. So I'm looking forward to that. So right now it's in pre-order, like I had said, and I had already pre-ordered mine. And it just, I can't wait. When I had seen this, now there is, this is identical to the hatchet. I don't know if it's the same company or a different company where they're buying from the same distributor, but the hatchet Build the Titanic is the same exact model as this one. The Titanic has become one of the most famous ocean liners of all time. When it was built, it was the largest ship afloat and was declared to be unsinkable. This new model with die-cast hull and details of metal, wood, and plastic has been created following the original plans. The 1/200 scale means that intricate details can be faithfully reproduced to build a true masterpiece in naval modeling. All components are ready painted in historically accurate detail and colors, making your models suitable for beginners and experts. Your model comes in approximately 1,800 quality parts with in-depth building instructions. Initial payment is $49.99, followed by $89.99 per month. This is a monthly installment plan over 24 months. We will send you a box containing all your first parts to get you started. Following this, you will be sent a box containing your next model parts every month for 23 months. Your card will be charged monthly. Your display case will be shipped towards the end of the series. This is not a toy, not suitable for children under 14 years old. Due to small parts, adult supervision is required. So that's basically the information on this wonderful model, the Titanic 1/200 scale. And this is comparable to the Bismarck. When I had first seen the Bismarck, with the lights and the anchors that go up and down and the rotating radar and the little searchlights, I was just blown away. And I was like, oh, I hope they make one of those for the Titanic. Well, they finally did. And I'm very happy that they did. And I, for one, cannot wait. Again, this is going to be shipped in May of 2022, so we have a little while to wait. But my friends, I wanted to show you this amazing kit. You can get yours. I'll put the link below if you want to get it. And I can't wait to start. So my friends, until the next video, I'll talk to you very soon.